Hi Lasya. Lasya, how easy it is for you to join the Thursday class, ma?
You, I guess I could still join it if you want me to switch back. I wouldn't mind.
You won't mind, but see, my only problem is the other two are very on and off in this class. Okay, they are watching the recording though, but at the same time, I don't know. Let's see. Let's keep going. Okay, why to make a mess? Okay, I don't mind to keep going because they definitely watch the recording and come back. You see, the other two, it's not like they just leave it. Today, both of them are not coming. You see, but I didn't want to cancel the class and stuff. Okay, you are very dedicated, so I just want to continue. And they have something going on. Otherwise, they would have come as well. They are also very dedicated. I'm seeing, meaning both of them have something going on today. Okay, so let's get that going. Okay, the other two are also very dedicated, so I'm not able to cancel this class as well. You see what I mean? Let's see. If you are dedicated, I'll never cancel, meaning if the all the three of you are dedicated, that's what I'm seeing, so I don't want to cancel. You see what I mean? But let's see how it goes. Okay, so last year, what was the last topic you dealt with at school, ma? What is the
Um,
upcoming topic, do you know?
we started quadratics, so we did the basics, and then I don't know
You,
what she's planning for us when we go back, but we finished like just being able to point out the different parts of the graph and
axis of symmetry, all that you did?
yeah.
Okay, so let me get there. Okay, let's see. Suppose if I give you this graph, right? Do you know how to draw this graph?
Yeah.
Do you know how to draw what will you do first? You'll draw a table, put some x and y values, right? Right, this is what you would do, right? And then what you do, substitute x in here. If you substitute x equal to -3, y becomes 18. Substitute x equal to -2, y becomes 8. Substitute x equal to 0, y becomes 0. Substitute x equal to 2, becomes 8. X equal to 3, it becomes 18. You know this, right? How to do?
Yeah.
So 0 is a 0, 2 is a 8, -2 is a 8, 3 is a 18, 3 is a 18. So the graph is like this, right?
Yeah.
Right? So the parent graph, meaning the parent graph is always the least one, meaning this is the basic one. So that parent graph would be a little lower. When you think about it, it will be a little fatter. You got it? This is y equal to x square graph.
Yeah.
Okay, this will be y will be equal to 2x square graph. Make sense? Okay, so you know how to draw the graphs, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now mm, okay, in this case, what is the axis of symmetry?
X equal to 0.
X equal to 0. Good job. X equal to 0. So this is the axis of symmetry. You know that, right? Okay, great. So this you can fill it by 18, 8, 0, 8, 18. Now, ma, I really want you to understand this graph you know already. Okay. Now I want you to graph this graph. I want you to graph this graph. Then I want you to graph this graph. I want you to draw this graph. Then I want you to draw this graph. This one. So many graphs, right? Wait. Reflection. Yeah. And then I want you to draw this one. Yeah. Then you know. Then the last one is this one. Okay. There are so many graphs. Can you quickly do for me? You will understand patterns. We are going to discuss transformations of quadratic functions, how it gets transformed. I'll help you with each of this, but I want you to show the graph. You know how to draw the graph, right? There are 11 graphs which I've asked you to do.
Miss Priya, we finished transformations of these in school too.
Okay, so you know what are these?
Yeah.
What happens in these?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, what is this?
That's a vertical reflection, so it goes upside down.
Good job. What is this?
That goes into the second quadrant. Well, it'll look the same still.
Good job. This one?
Up to, left to, down to, right to. This horizontal stretch
Good. By?
of 1/2.
If it is a stretch, the number has to be greater than 1.
Horizontal stretch of 2.
Huh?
Horizontal stretch of 2 then.
Horizontal stretch of 2. This one?
Horizontal compression of 2. 1/2.
Good. Meaning x alone, you'll find the reciprocal. How about this? How about this?
Vertical stretch of 2. Vertical compression of 1/2.
You got it? Very nice. Did you work on converting standard form, vertex form? Do you know what is vertex form?
I don't remember it, but she told us.
Okay, quadratic functions. I really want you to revise that. Okay, the standard form is always ax square plus bx plus c. You see, that is always, this is called the standard form. Make sense? Let me tell you about the vertex form. Vertex form is a times x minus h the whole square plus k. Make sense? Here the vertex is h comma k. Okay, here how do you find the vertex? X coordinate of the vertex is minus b by 2a. Y coordinate of the vertex is, after finding the x coordinate, substitute that in the function and find out. Make sense? Does that make sense, ma? Did you get it, ma? Alasya, you need to say, did you get it? Did you understand? Last year, that was a question to you.
I said yes.
Oh, okay. Now only I was able to hear you. Okay. So now let's go ahead and see. In the vertex form, do you know how to find the x and y coordinate, ma?
The h is the x and the k is the y.
Yeah. In the standard form, do you know how to find the x and y coordinate?
Like, I only know how to graph it and then
To graph it. Okay. Let's find out. Meaning, I really want you to know all of this. How about this? Let's say I have x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to f of x. What is the vertex here? I said vertex x coordinate is minus b by 2a. And then I said you will have to apply vertex y coordinate is, you're going to apply this x into this function. X value, after you get it, you're going to plug that into this equation and find out the f of x value. That is your y coordinate. Can you find that and tell me? Adyan, you're here? Adyan, are you here, Adyan? Yeah, ma.
-2, 0.
I'm not able to hear Adin at all. Okay, did you get it, ma?
-2, 0.
Negative
2,
2.
0.
Very nice. You got it? Adin, I have unmuted you. Can you talk? Adyan. Adyan, I have unmuted you. Did you see that, Adyan? Adyan, we are not. Are you able to hear him, ma? We are not able to hear you, Adyan. Okay, so you understand how to find the coordinates, ma? Vertex in both the forms you understood?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's go ahead and see. So after this, do you know how to convert? Suppose if I give this to you as, if I give an f of x will be equal to 2 times x minus 4 the whole square plus 3. If I give you this, Adyan, if I give you this last year, do you know how to convert to standard form? Do you know how to convert it to standard form, ma? Do you know the expansion of this a minus b the whole square? 3 formulas I always want you to remember, I've told you, right? A square plus b square minus 2ab. A plus b the whole square will be equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Right? Then the last formula is a square minus b square is a plus b times a minus b. Write it down and by heart it right now. Tomorrow, if I come and ask you in your sleep, you should be able to say. Can you try? You want to try, ma?
So it would be x minus 4x plus 4. 2 times x minus 4 times x plus 4 plus 3.
Come again?
F of x is equal to 2 times x minus 4 times x plus 4 plus 3.
No, this is a minus b the whole square, right?
Mhm.
What is a minus b the whole square? Use this.
Oh,
Treat x as a, b as 4. You got what I'm saying?
yeah.
Can you try that? Can you try that?
So it would be f of x is equal to 2 times x squared minus 4 squared minus 2 times,
You want me to do it once?
yes please,
2 times x square plus 16 minus a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? 8x plus 3. Then distribute it. 2x square plus 32 minus 16x plus 6. You got it?
yep.
Now what would happen? You can add these two. 2x square minus 16x plus 38. You got it? You see what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah, Miss Priya, I got it.
You got it nicely?
Yeah.
Can we move on? Can I move on, ma?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, now let me see. I want to go to the book though, but before going to the book, I am looking at something else. Hold on. Okay, so let me give you one more problem in this and then let's move on. Adyan, still your internet is not right. Minus 4 times x square minus... no. Minus 4 times x minus 2 the whole square plus 3. This is f of x. Write in standard form. Can you do that for me? Do it, ma. I'll be back. Give me a minute. Just finish. Yeah.
Priya,
Yeah, ma.
would the answer be negative 4x squared plus 16x minus 13?
Let me see. Negative 4. 1 minute. Tell me negative 4
Negative 4x squared plus 16x minus 13.
plus 16x
Minus 13.
minus 13. Good job. So the answer is minus 4x squared plus 16x minus... So tell me whether the graph will be... What type of graph will it be? Upward facing or downward facing? Upward facing graph or downward facing graph?
Down.
Downward facing graph. You know why?
Negative 4x squared.
Yes, the leading coefficient, that is the coefficient of the highest power of x is negative, so it will be a downward facing graph. Any questions there?
No.
Okay, so you got this going. Great. Okay, now you know how to convert from you know how to convert from You know how to convert from vertex form to standard form, correct?
Yeah.
Correct? Okay. I just want to revise some of word problems, okay? Okay. You're going to try this one. You're going to draw, okay? You're going to draw the picture and then think about how to do these problems. You get it? Just like that in your head, you're not going to think. You're going to draw the graph, show where is the origin, then you're going to work on these. Okay, let's see. Some of, what to say, let's see. What is this? Let me make it bigger for you. But these are easy problems if you start drawing. Okay, I really want to see how you're going to draw. Let's see. I need. Here we go. Do you think you can do this? Did you start doing some word problems in quadratics, ma?
Not really.
Not really. Okay, let's do. You think you can draw? Did you understand what they're asking for? Adyan, you're not able to concentrate and I don't know what you understand, ma. It is very difficult for me. You see, Adyan? Does that make sense, Adyan? Did you get it, ma?
Yeah.
Yeah, ma?
You would just have to like,
Okay, I'll show you. Can I show you?
yes, please.
Then you can do. A ball is kicked. I'm standing here. I'm kicking a ball. See, this is how I draw. Okay, the height at any point, the height from here, the height is being tracked by h of t will be equal to minus 16t square plus 48t plus 5. So the parabola, the graph is this. What is the maximum height of the ball reached? What are they asking?
What is the highest y value of the graph?
Correct. So what are they asking? What is that point called?
The vertex.
Good job, you answered. So how to find the vertex? Can you find and tell me? Highest point on the graph they're asking, but then y value of the vertex they're asking. So what do?
Negative 48 divided by negative 32. So we get it.
Correct. So what happens? Tell me the answer. Substitute, get it, tell me the answers. Oh, Adyan, okay. Adyan, see, you have to, okay. So looks like your mom is messaging me that you're driving from home. Is it Adyan? Driving home. Is it Adyan? Ball is kicked and its height is modeled by h of t equal to this. What is the maximum height of the ball? So you know how to do it. Do it, ma. So basically, they're asking for x comma y. This y value gets you the maximum height reached, right? So how do you get the vertex? First of all, x value of the vertex is minus b by 2a. You already said the answer, minus 48 by minus 48 by minus 16, right? Times 2. So that will be minus 48 by minus 16 times 2 will be 3. 3 by 2. Correct, ma? Now, height, see.
Would it not be 4 over 3, Miss Priya?
4 over 3, yeah. 16 3s are 48, right?
Yeah.
3 by 2, right? 3 by 2, right, ma? 3 by 2, right, ma?
Yeah, 3 by 2.
Yeah. So that is the x value, 1.5 seconds. That is in seconds, right? 1.5 seconds it is at this point x. What is the y value of the vertex? Y value of the vertex will be, I have to substitute that 3 by 2 there. When I substitute, it becomes 9 by 4 plus 48 times 3 by 2 plus 5. Then what happens? Minus 36. What is 24 times 3? 72 plus 5. So this one is 36 plus 5, 41. Any questions? I am getting 41. So 3 by 2 comma 41. So 3 by 2 seconds it reaches 41 feet high up. Do you see it, ma? Did you get it?
Yeah.
So this is a meaning you need to understand what is asked, and that helps a lot. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so we will do a couple of types of problems, then only we'll go out of quadratics too. But did we do it correctly? I feel something is wrong. Y coordinate minus 16 t square is correct, plus 48 t is 3 by 2 and then a plus 5, right? Yeah. So 4 4s are 16 minus 36 plus 72, 24. Yeah. 72. 36 plus 36 is 72. I'm getting 41 feet. Got it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I did another problem. Okay, that's good. Okay, how about this? This is a differently worded problem, but it does require the same drawing. See, unless you draw, you won't understand what they're asking. So please draw. Tell me what they're asking. Okay, go ahead. Adin might be only listening, I feel. We'll go ahead with what we can now.
Priya. Miss Priya.
Yes, Ma, I was talking on mute. Tell me.
Like, so if it were to reach the, is it asking for when the thing touches the x-axis again? When the graph touches the x-axis?
Correct. Good job. So, what are they asking? Very nice find. See, you're drawing and you're able to find it. Very nice. Are you doing or can I help you?
Can you please help?
Yeah, absolutely. So, what it is asking?
For when the parabola goes up and then comes back down, what the value is when it touches the x-axis.
Yeah, so it is asking for what? What are those points called in a quadratic graph? So, what you're saying is it's asking for these points, right? What are these points called?
They could be called x-intercepts.
Yes, how will you find them? What should you substitute? What should you substitute to find them?
0 for the y.
Wow, good job. And then what do you do? Do you know how to factorize them? You don't know, right?
No.
Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let me show you. So here, now you need to factorize it. You have to know how to factorize quadratics. What is factoring? What is factoring quadratics? That means this is a term, this is a term, correct ma? This is a term, this is a term, correct? Now you are given sum of terms, correct? That's a quadratic function, right? You have to change it to product of factors. Product of factors, meaning that sum you need to change it as product. That's all ma. You got it? Did you get it, Lasya?
Yeah.
Now, suppose if they give you 2t square plus 4t, how to factorize this? This is a term, this is a term. Is there anything common between the two? Is there anything common between the two? Between the
2t.
two terms? Huh?
2t.
2t. Take it out as common. What will come inside?
T plus 2.
Good job. Do you see sum of terms you expressed as product of factors, product of numbers 2, t and t plus 2. Did you get that?
Yeah.
So this is how you do. This is called factoring. Very easy. The strategy that you followed here is you took out the greatest common multiple. You took out the GCFs. You got it? Okay. How about if I want to factorize 5t square minus 15? Can you factorize this?
T times t minus 3.
You got it, lady. See, this is called GCF. Taking out the GCF and factoring. You got it? Suppose if I give you 25t square minus 1. How to factorize this? Remember? Do you remember this? This is written as a plus b, a minus b. You remember this?
Yeah.
So how do you factorize that? Simple one. So these are squares. So what is the square root of each of that?
5t minus 1, 5t plus 1.
Exactly. This is how you factorize it. You got it?
Yeah.
Now after factorizing, you're going to equate it to 0 here. How many seconds after you are going to return to the ground? Y is equated to 0. You got it?
Yeah.
Now suppose if I equate this to 0, product of two numbers, it cannot be 5 times 7 or 7 times 5. One of it has to be 0. Correct, ma?
Yeah.
That is called the zero product rule. Zero product property. Meaning there are two numbers who multiply and give a 0. One of them has to be 0. So you can equate this to 0 or you can equate this to 0. Make sense, ma? Both the factors can be equated to 0. You got it?
Yep.
That is how you find the t value. Here, t value will be minus 1 by 5. Time cannot be negative, so this is not the answer. Time is 1 by 5. You got it? Now, this is not the answer for this one. You're going to factorize for this one. Easy? Take out. Yeah, now you factorize and tell me the answer for t. Now, this is GCF based factoring. It's easy for you.
$16t times t plus 5.
16t. So, what is the value of t? 16t times t plus 5. Yeah.
No, 16 is negative.
T is negative. No, the factorizing is incorrect.
Negative 16t times t plus 5?
What is common?
16.
No.
16 times 16.
16 is common. Okay. 16t you can take out as common, right?
Yeah, I said 16t times t plus 5.
No, right? Okay. Take plus 16t. If you take it as common, what is left is minus t plus 5, right, ma?
Yeah.
So this will be equated to 0. So 16 can't be equated to 0. Already it's a number. T can be equated to 0. So t is either 0 or t minus t plus 5 equal to 0, which means t equal to 5. Right? So in this graph, at t equal to 0, this is the x-axis, right? T equal to 0, t equal to 5, the ball hits the ground. You got it, ma? So at 2.5 seconds, it is at its maximum height. So how many seconds did the firework return to the ground? You tell me. What is the answer now?
5 seconds.
5. You got it? Based on context, you understand the context and then do the work. Nicely, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I have not taught you factoring quadratics properly. Okay, but I have taught you how to work with word problems. Word problems is what you will get in the exam. How about this? Can you do this quickly for me? Can we try?
Miss Priya, can you do it on the board?
Absolutely. The area of a rectangle is 60 square units. Why don't you try, Lasya? You're really good at this. Can we try? Let's start with the width is x. How do you write the length? I'll help you, but you're going to do. The width is x. The length is what? You tell me the length, what is the area? Can you write the equation for area? I want you to write the length equation based on what I wrote. Can you do it, ma? What does it mean to say 4 units more than the width?
W plus 4.
Exactly. Can you do that for me?
Area is equal to W plus 4 times X.
Yes. Why W and X? There has to be only one variable.
So X plus 4 times X.
Good. Can you do that?
Area is equal to X squared plus 4X.
True. How can you work? How can you find the width? Will you be able to find the width now?
Yeah.
Sure. Are you able to do, ma? Are you able to do?
Yeah, Miss Priya, I'm trying it.
Sure. If I can help, let me know.
I got till factoring it, but I don't know what to do after that.
From there you get the answer.
So
What is the value of x? That's it. That's the width, right?
I got 60 is equal to X times X plus 4.
Equal to 60. Now multiply it inside. X square plus 4x minus 60 equal to 0. Correct, ma? But after this, how do you solve this? You have to solve for x, right? Can I help you with that?
Yes, please.
See, here you have achieved the standard form, right, ma?
Yeah.
Now, I want you to find two numbers whose product is minus 60. See, 1 times minus 60, 8.
Yeah.
I want you to find the product of two numbers is minus 60. Sum is plus 4. Can you find out two numbers like that? So write out the factors of minus 60. What are the factors of minus 60? Let's start with 160. Minus
2.
160 or 1 and minus 60. Or you can do 2 and minus 30 or minus 2 and 30. Correct? They
Yeah.
don't sum to 4. Let's keep going. We'll go to 3 and minus 20 or minus 3 and 20. No. What else I can write?
4, 15, 5, 12,
4.
and 6, 10.
So what is that? 6 and 10 works. Did you see that?
Yeah, negative 6, positive 10.
Negative 6, positive 10. Yes, because that sum is 4. So what you do? You are going to split this and write it. X square, you are going to copy this. But instead of the plus 4x, we'll write it out as whatever we have chosen here. Minus 6x plus 10x minus 60 equal to 0. Make sense? Here you are going to take x as common. Here you are going to take 10 as common. Do you see now? Now you do still have x minus 6 as common. Take that out completely, so you are left with x plus 10. Does it make sense? So what is the value of the width?
10.
Minus can't be a length value.
But the 6 is the negative.
But you're going to equate it to 0, remember? See ma, by the zero product rule, either x minus 6 is 0 or x plus 10 equal to 0. From here, x equal to minus 10 is invalid value. X equal to 6
X
is the
equals
valid value. You got it?
Yeah.
Nicely you got it ma?
Yeah.
So how about this? X square. I really want you to be able to solve this. Let's see. Do you know how to factorize this? X square plus 6x plus 9. Can you factorize that? How do you factorize that? First of all, find two numbers whose product is 9, sum is 6. Can
3
you do
and
that for me?
3 and 3.
Yeah. So, do you want to take the common out and see? Can you try? Do you want to try?
Miss Priya, it's 3. And then you'd get 3. X plus 3 times x plus 3. X
That's
plus.
true, but you know how you did it?
Yeah, I do. I get it.
X square plus 3x plus 3x. That's what we need to split. 3 and 3, right? You split that as 3x plus 3x. For middle term should always be split. And then from these two you take x as common. From these two you take 3 as common. Right? In
Yeah.
these two terms, now you get x plus 3 common. And what is left over is x plus 3. So x equal to minus 3 is the only answer. You got it?
Yeah.
Now, let's see. Give me a minute. So I want you to be able to. All this did you finish at school, ma?
Yeah, we did.
You don't remember, huh?
Yeah, it's been like maybe 3 weeks since we did factoring.
I know, right? X
So,
square minus 12x plus 27. This week I'll cover this. Next week you're going to tell me what they're going to cover. How about this? Do it
I think
quickly.
she said she was gonna cover regression after spring break.
Regression. Regression is very important, ma. At least you'll get one answer. You're just going to type the table into the calculator, go to quadratic regression or linear regression. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll cover next week. For this week, we'll finish this nicely. You should remember this.
Yeah.
Okay.
X is equal to 3 and or 9.
You got it nicely?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. So let's go there. Can I give you more questions like this, ma?
Yeah.
I think it's worth giving more questions like this. Let's see. Let me give you, hold on. Okay, what did I want to do? Yeah, this question I wanted to solve now. I don't want to give you the same type, ma. Okay. This is a good one. Okay, what are they asking here? They're asking something here. I want you to find what are they asking here. Just tell me what are they asking here.
They're asking what the vertex is.
Good. Very nice. So you know how to calculate?
Yeah.
Very well done. Okay, you know how to calculate. I'm going to move on, please.
Yeah, you can move on.
Yeah. So okay. How about this? See, it's just that you need to draw the diagram to understand. That's all. How about this? A business. Oh, that is obscuring. Business models its profit with at what sales amount is the profit zero? What does it mean?
It's asking for the two x-intercepts.
Correct. So how do you get it? See how nicely you're able to do a practical word problem in quadratics. So what should you do for that?
The answer is 20 and 70.
Yeah, correct. Good job. So you have to equate it to 0 by 0 product rule. X minus 20 can be 0 or x minus 70 can be 0. It can be 20 and 70. Make sense, ma?
Yeah.
Okay, we did a lot today. Adyan, were you able to follow?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll stop here, but I'll let you do quadratics homework on standard form, vertex form, graphing, transformations, and word problems. Make sense?
Okay.
Okay, I'll leave you here. Bye, guys.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, guys. See you all next week. Bye.